Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So in this video we will display a emoji on dot matrix. So for making this project I have used an Arduino, 4 male to female jumper wires and dot matrix. Moving towards connection part. Connection for this project is very easy. Firstly we will connect 5 jumper wires to the dot matrix. Now we will connect pin of dot matrix to the Arduino. Firstly connect SCK pin to the pin number 8 of Arduino. Then SC pin, CS pin to pin number 9 of Arduino. And DIN pin to the pin number 10 of Arduino. Connect ground to the ground of Arduino and VCC to the 5 pin. So that's all about the connection part of this project. So moving towards programming part. Code link I have given in the description, you can download it from there. Open this folder and open this code. So this is the programming of our project. This is the image which will be printed on the dot matrix. Now connect your Arduino to the laptop and upload this code to the Arduino. As you can see, emoji are displaying. Now if you want to change the emoji, just open this file and now draw whatever you want to print. Like if I will print K, now click on generate, it will generate a code for you. Now copy this code and print this code here. And now upload the code. Now as you can see, K is coming on the display. Like this you can print anything you want. So that's all about the programming part.